welcome back to my channel, and we are talking Super Bowl Sunday grub today. And I have created a little spread for Super Bowl Sunday. We do this every year. This is something that we've probably been doing for the past 10 years with the hubby and the kids, and we just make a spread and we just hang out and just look at the game. I don't know a thing about the game. I love the commercials and I love the halftime show. So that's what I'll be doing as I snack on the snacks that I'll be preparing. So stay tuned so I share with you some of the things that we'll be snacking on, and just don't forget to let me know like what you'll be snacking on in the description box below, what you will have, what you love to have. So let's jump right in. This Angus steak, and we're gonna add it into the slow cooker. We have hydrated onions, we have garlic powder, we have some pepper, we have some chili flakes, some powdered onion. So what we're gonna do is take all of that and we're gonna add the soy sauce. Make a little mess here, guys. We're going to put all of that inside of this crock pot. And then it asks for 2 cups of water. So we're going to add the 2 cups of water into that as well. Give this a quick stir around. So I prepared this yesterday, and we're gonna make some beef sliders with this. Wow, guys, it's cooked up really nice and tender. And what I'm gonna do is shred this up, give it a nice pull. This is one of the recipes that hubby kind of found online, so we wanted to try it, and he used the sauce that we got from William and Sonoma to the sauce, so now that I could cook back down in there. Look at this, it's all of it in here. It's going to cook down. All the juices can get back in there. Can you see it? It's a nice thick. See how shredded it is, guys? Wow. We're gonna put these on some delicious, these little mini brioche rolls that I purchased. We're going to do 4. We're going to do 4. I'm going to save this one. Next up will be the barbecue sliders, and then we're going to have some buffalo chicken sliders. And the last few ingredients left will be the barbecue sauce, and have a little bit of vinegar and some hot sauce that I'm going to add to the barbecue chicken, because I usually take some store-bought sauce. I always add probably about a tablespoon of vinegar, give it a nice little kick, and a little bit of hot sauce. So this will give it a kick, and then that will give a little nice tarty flavor. Same thing as we did with the chicken over here. We're going to set it to the side. They're going to be all ready for our buns. Okay, loves, we are now ready to place all of the prepared mixes inside of these brioche dinner buns, and we're going to slice them open, and then we're going to prepare them and just lay them out on the trays. melt it and add it to my measuring bowl. And add some hot sauce in there. Add it on a little bit more. Shredded cheese to this. I'm going to take our dip and add it to it right here. There's yumminess in here. And here you have it. So I purchased this stone some time ago when my kids were younger and we would make homemade pizzas, and I love it because it allows your pizza to get crispy. So you actually heat it up ahead of time so it gets warm. That's why you have these handles where you can put it in the oven. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this frozen pizza that we had and slide it off of this cardboard. And usually, like, you can buy these frozen pizzas at Walmart, any local grocery store that you have, and I'll just take this, like you said, and we'll add it here, and you can just add any topping that you want. And we're going to take a little bit more of the mozzarella cheese, and we're going to add that to your pizza so you can make it a little more cheesy. You can add any topping that you may want. So we just add a little bit more here.
The following ingredients for the Asian sesame chicken: you need 2 tablespoons of each would be brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and mix well. If you like yours a little spicy, you could kick it up with a few flakes of red pepper seeds. I prepared these wings ahead of time, and I didn't deep fry them. I oven fried them in the oven, and I'm going to place the wings back inside of the pan so I can evenly coat the wings with this Asian sesame sauce. The next sauce I'm going to prepare is the buffalo garlic wing sauce. And to that, I'm going to use a cup of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to also take 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and give that a whisk as well. And then I'm going to take the wings and add those to the sauce the same as I did for the Asian sesame wings. Okay guys, that does it for my game day grub with the fam.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed all of those snacks that I shared with you. And as I said before, please let me know what you had. Maybe it's something that I didn't have and I would love to try. So put it in the description box below. And maybe next year I'll be trying it for Super Bowl Sunday. So until next time, bye loves.
Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.